Hello friends, what happened to searching for people or nobody in nearby in telegrams? Is it turns out they cannot be fixed because now it's true no a rule that says like this. Open and search, and this says the change announced by Mr. Durov included removing the apps people nearby, feature which he said had issue with bots and scammers, and replacing is the business nearby featuring legitimate business. If you want a business account, if you have business account, you can search and use this function, and disabling media outlets on the apps blogging tool Telegram, which Mr. Durov states. But friends, don't be upset, I will make a review of new applications that have the purpose of searching for people nearby to make it easy and simple for you to get to know them. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, bro. Thank you for watching this video, and don't crying. Like this video, bro. Goodbye.